Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amir Altaf and I am from Jammu and Kashmir. Recently, alhamdulillah, I qualified UPSC CSE prelims and this year I am going to write mains.
I am Mohammad Saqib Anwar. I belong to Jharkhand. I came MS Academy last year and MS Academy played a very crucial role in shaping of my preparation. Due to this, alhamdulillah, I cleared prelims this year.
Alright, this is Mehboob Hussain. So I came in MSIS Academy last year. So after that, as of now, I have seen a very conducive environment which is needed for an ideal aspirant.
There is well-stocked library. You get to have the tests both for the GS and optional as well.
First of all, there are prelims test series जो MS Academy ने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से उसको डिज़ाइन करके बनाया और हम लोगों को रेगुलरली टेस्ट दिलवाया और उसका इवेल्युएशन हुआ। टेस्ट के बाद जो सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है वो होता है पीयर टू पीयर डिस्कशन विद द PYQ एनालिसिस, जो हमारे सीनियर और जो ऑलरेडी मेंस लिख चुके हैं उन लोगों ने काफ़ी अच्छी तरीके से हम लोगों को गाइड किया।
My name is Umar Ali. For CSAT preparation, specialized CAT toppers and all those faculties who are expert in their field or in their subject matters, they are invited to take classes periodically. Along with those, previous year question analysis are done here with the experts and those who have cleared prelims.
There are mentors assigned to every aspirant because UPSC is not only about academics, it's about guidance. So I believe that this is one of the great initiative of MSIS Academy. They provide everything what an aspirant needs.
My name is Junaid Fareed Siddiqui and I am the student of MSIS Academy. The best part of this academy, and I must say the most crucial part of any aspirant's journey, is mentorship, जो हमें MSIS Academy provide करा रहा है in the form of retired bureaucrats and serving officers and senior aspirants. For example, Mr. A.K. Khan sir, and apart from him, we are having Nadeemuddin, IPS officer. He is posted in Kerala. Apart from these two, we are having Faizan Ahmed and Haris Sumer. These two are also mentoring students. The best part of them is they are from this academy.
As far as our library is concerned, our library is also good, it is effective, and we have computer access, computer facilities. So, and also Wi-Fi. Yes, Wi-Fi is very important, like it is a core aspect of MSIS Academy. Then we have accommodation. So accommodation like is very good, there is no problem at all. And regarding food, so food, breakfast, lunch, dinner, so a balanced diet is being maintained. And from time to time, we also revise our menu. We have sports facility, sports, we have cricket, we have table tennis, we have badminton. So the equipments are being maintained and being provided like very effectively.
इसके बाद जो मेंस के लिए हमें प्रोवाइड किया गया, मेंस का बहुत सारे टेस्ट सीरीज प्रोवाइड किया गया है और टेस्ट सीरीज के साथ साथ जो हमें जिस ऑप्शनल की ज़रूरत है वो ऑप्शनल की तैयारी के लिए भी सब कुछ सपोर्ट यहाँ पे किया गया है। मेंस के लिए एक सेपरेट स्टडी रूम दिया गया है जिससे मेंस के कैंडिडेट काफ़ी अच्छी तरीके से प्रिपेयर कर पाएँ।
So basically, whatever the facilities are being provided in MSIS Academy, it is definitely a milestone. I don't think in India any other RCA can provide the facilities which are being provided in this academy, like in such a manner, in such an effective manner.
तो MS Academy का एक बहुत बड़ा रोल है फॉर माई क्लियरिंग्स प्रीलिम्स एंड आफ्टर दैट मेंस में भी मैं कुछ अच्छा ही करूं विद द MS Academy के इस रोल से।
और जो भी इस्लामिक वैल्यूज एक एस्पिरेंट के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट होती है वो सारी यहाँ पे प्रोवाइड की जाती है। आई वुड लाइक टू अर्ज यू टू प्लीज अप्लाई द एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ MSIS Academy which is on 30th July. Thank you so much.
MS Education Academy, preparing world-worthy individuals.